Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel. What Want? A technology vlog, for how-to videos, tips, reviews, and much more. Does your Windows 10 device stuck on hibernating? Not able to log into your PC? Then, this tutorial is for you. In this article, I am going to show you best solution for Windows 10 stuck on hibernating. First, you need to know what is hibernating in Windows. It is the combination of sleep mode and shutdown. It is only available for laptops. It may occur because of battery drain or any other issue. When you put your laptop in sleep mode, your running apps and documents will be stored in the RAM and resume quickly. When you put our laptop in hibernate mode, your running apps and documents will be stored in the hard disk and it turns of your PC. When you turn on your PC, it resumes your PC to the previous state before turned off like in the sleep mode. But it takes longer time than sleep mode and less power than sleep mode. Solution for Windows 10 stuck on hibernating. Remove the power card. Remove the battery and keep it aside. Connect the power card, don't install the battery. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds or more. It will discharge the power completely. Now install the battery. Charge the battery for some time. Don't turn on the laptop. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds or more. Finally, the laptop should load as usual. After recovering from the hibernating loop, you might not want to be in the same situation again. So, you need to disable the hibernating. Let's know how to disable hibernating. Open Command Prompt with Admin Privileges. To open Command Prompt with Admin Privileges, search Command Prompt using search bar. Select Run as Administrator option. Command Prompt with Admin Privileges will be displayed on the screen. Type the command exhibiting on the screen and press Enter. It will disable hibernating loop on your PC. That's it. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if it is helpful for you. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more interesting videos. Click on the bell icon to turn on notification.